Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing absolutely fit and fine. Today's topic is always think in English. Yes, my name is Priyanka. You all are welcomed to my channel English Conversation with Priya. Today in this video, I am going to talk about how to think in English. How to think in English. In initial time, it's too difficult always think in English because in this time we don't have lots of vocabs, and that's why we need to know the name of all objects. But how to start? From where to start think in English? Start from our house. There are so many kinds of things around us in the house. Start from there. Like this: book, scale, pencil box, paperweight, pencil stand, pen, stapler. You do practice from your house. Suppose you are in the kitchen. There are so many different objects like kitchen chimney, gas oven, basin, glass, spoon, plate, bowl, gas oven, etc. If you are in the school, there are so many other objects like blackboard, chalk, duster, map, globe, etc. So there are so many kinds of things, and we have to know the name all of objects. We spend time on object naming. Take a moment, look around you and name all of objects that you can in English, and note down the new words what you don't know, because it will help you to remember them. The next step is make sentences. Make simple and small sentences. Like this. This is the book. The name of the book is 151 Moral Stories. There are 151 stories in the book. It's my child's book. He won the book from his school as a prize. If the book is on the shelf, then you ask questions to yourself, where is the book? You can say the book is on the shelf. The pen is in the pen stand. The books are in the bag. In initial time, we translate from our mother tongue to English. But don't do this too much, because in this process we understand easily. But don't do this long time, because when you are become a fluent speaker, when you want to be a fluent speaker, then you have to think in English, and always you try to speak in English. Maybe you can speak broken English or wrong English, but you think in English, and after a period you can be able to speak fluent English. The next step is practice conversation to yourself. You have to create the situation to think in English. Suppose your friend came your house yesterday and now you are spending time with her. How to describe the situation in English? You can start like this. Now I am spending time with my friend. After a long period we met with each other. Now we are very happy. And we are spending a golden time. In the evening we will go to the market to buy something. You have to proceed your conversation. If you are traveling in the train or in the bus, or if you are going to the market, there are so many people gathered. How to describe in English? You can say there is extremely crowded today in the market, and when you are going to buy something, how to ask the price of the object, the cost of the object. How much is it when you are going to buy fruit, when you are going to buy vegetable? You can ask like this, how much is it? How much is it? Like this, you do practice regular. You do practice regular to yourself, and always think in English, how to say in English, how to think in English. Create some story, create some content, create some situation to think in English. If you can do very easily, that's okay, you can move on. But if it's a challenge for you, guys, once again I would like to say you, translation is not the right way to become a fluent speaker. In initial time it's okay, because in this process we will understand easily, but don't do this long time. You have to think in English, you have to compel your brain to think in English. After a period you can be able to speak in English fluently. So guys, I think this video is going to help you a lot, and if you like this video, then please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing, and please let me know how did you like this video. You could also suggest me if you have any suggestion. I will see you again on next video. Till then, take care. Bye.